Hello everyone! Thanks for always finding your way back to my kitchen. Today we'll be taking a jolly ride in these amazing plantain boats. And this recipe is a must try, especially because it is so easy to make. For this recipe you'll be needing the following ingredients. So we're going to begin with the ripe plantain. I'll simply peel off the skin. That's done. I'll cut a slit at the center of each of the plantain pieces to create the opening for the filling. Now, when doing this, just make sure you don't cut through and through, guys, because that way your sauce is going to leak. I'll go ahead and deep fry the plantain on both sides until they are perfectly brown. So we'll be making two different fillings for the plantain boat. For the first filling, I have the minced meat in a pan. I'll just keep stirring until the pink color turns brown. Then I'll take them out and set aside. Now I'll drizzle some vegetable oil in the pan and go in with my onion, garlic and ginger mix. Now just allow that to sizzle, then I'll go in with the cooked minced meat. To that I'll be adding seasoning and chili sauce. You want to add a generous amount of chili sauce, guys. I'll give that a good stir and finally sprinkle some fresh parsley, and the first filling is ready. For the second filling, I'll drizzle some vegetable oil to the pan and add chopped onions. Then I'll go in with my bell peppers and seasoning and eggs. Oh yes, the second filling is scrambled eggs. You can have this plantain boat with whatever filling you desire. You can have it with beans or chicken or just whatever you want. All you have to do now is scoop the fillings into your plantain boat and take a delicious ride. This is a whole meal and it's so satisfying. Please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to always get notified when we make a new post. Thanks for watching. See you on our next post.